Tell me what you just did.
Shoot a deer.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
What was it?
Doe.
What was she at right down there?
Right down there.
Let's go down and see if we can find her. She'll be laying right over her somewhere.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go. Come on, stick it. Doe.
Alright, come on. Be careful going down the ladder. Alright, you ready? Alright, put in first gear.
First?
Yeah.
Right here?
Alright, ease down this road. Alright, get in there and show me what you just did. Get off on this side. Ain't muddy. Make sure she's dead.
Huh?
Kick her.
Hmm?
I said kick her, make sure she's dead. Don't just walk up to her.
You know what?
Alright, pick her head up. Let me see it.
By the ear?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Boy, look at that.
oh, wow. Oh, oh, wow.
What is it?
Oh, that boy is getting only. This big old deer is so fat. He's fat.
Are you ready to load her up?
Yeah.
Alright, let's load her up and we'll go back to camp. Alright?
Okay.
You can't see it on this.
Hey, let go of his leg, buddy, for a minute.
Yeah.
120.
120.
Straight up.
You go, Logan.
You gonna let it back down?
Yeah, I will.
I do.
Hey, Logan, turn around. I think we should just put blood on your face just 'cause. How about you
Just
think?
because it's there.
Let's dunk you in it.
That's what I was thinking.
Pick her head up and we'll see it. Standing around the other side there.
Bigger doe there, ain't
Here,
it?
Mom,
Huh?
Pick her head up.
Grab her by the ear.
Pull his head up there by yours.
Head weighs more than you do.
Look at me, Logan.
That ain't no young doe there, is it?
Who did you get that from, Nathan?
I don't know.
Mama's side of the family.
Oh.
Haha, let's skin her.
Where'd
Ready?
you hit it at?
Huh?
You hit it in the right spot, huh?
Where? Show me where.
Where'd you hit it at?
Right there, Logan.
Can't help but see that hole.
You drive a truck through that.
Turn it around so I can see how much it weighs. There you go.
How much?